time for a nature walk with Curious Ken and Wonder Kay.
Such a ginormous tree.
Oh, woodpecker. That's...
Oh yeah, I see him. Hard to catch on here.
We found a red-bellied woodpecker. They are such great creatures. They eat insects and seeds. They can peck the holes in the trees. And look at how he is gripping the tree. Now it's time to go on a little hike with Ken and find something I've never experienced before.
Holy cow.
So, daddy long legs, right?
Yes.
I'm gonna blow on him.
Hold on. Let me get a little closer so I can view and
Zoom
see
in on
him
him.
first.
Which one are you doing? This one? Let's do the small one.
Okay. Wow.
It's also known as harvestman. These are mites, not spiders. Same family. They're 8-legged. So they're all arachnids. But they will group together to make themselves look bigger, because that looks a little more intimidating than this. Although,
yes.
I think any of that would freak Mom out.
Oh my
Super cool.
goodness. Don't
There's
fall.
that, and there's all the other ones.
Oh my
over there, too.
goodness, there's lots of them.
Where's that waterfall?
We can go next to it. We just chilling right there. See?
Yeah. Can't see them in here at all. Skipping rocks.
Babble. It's a babbling brook.
There it is. You got it? Oh, there he is. Oh, don't hurt his tail.
Scalopris. Oh my God, I love these. Scalopris undulatus.
Fence lizard?
Yeah.
All right, a little bitty technique.
Oh, that is so cool.
Oh, that's a tiny. Oh!
He's right there. He's so cute.
Beautiful.
That's the tiniest fence lizard ever. They get big.
Curious Ken also said they're called the Texas spiny lizard. And they do get bigger, but this one he caught was pretty tiny.
Got a good example.
Yeah, poison ivy that grows like a vine, and it will anchor this as it grows up the tree, and it'll anchor into the little nooks and crannies of the bark.
So this is all poison ivy?
Yeah. Lots of cicada.
And oh, that's cool.
The shell.
Look at that cicada shell. And then we've got lots of poison ivy down here. Again, leaves of 3. Let them be. What is that called?
Horse apple.
Horse apple.
Called Osage orange or bodark. That's a big bodark tree. They use them-
Bodark.
Yeah, and they make the bows. There's a very typical of the spines on them too.
Okay.
Let's see how.
Look at that anole. You see him do the little red pouch, showing his dominance. They're so fun to watch. It's like Spider-Man, right? He can do such a good climb. There goes that pouch again. Whoa, that was cool. He jumped. I wish I would have gotten that jump a little better. Now he is camouflaged.
Thanks for going on our nature walk with Curious Ken and I. We hope to see you soon, and give us a like.